Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this video, we'll discuss about Revit architecture features, how Revit can be used for architectural drawings or architectural design as well. So we'll cover in this video all the architectural options that are visible in Revit. So in this one, I'll start from scratch. This is a Revit window when you start the Revit. Right here, I'll click on new because we will discover all the features from the scratch only. So that is why I'll create a model from scratch. So I'll click on architectural template right here and click on OK. So we'll cover all those as the major portion that are commonly used while designing the architectural model in this one. So first of all, this is our uh, what we can say uh, the workplace where we'll model the things properly. And let's get started now. So first of all, right here you can see we have two default levels, level 0, level 1. If you wanted to create any new level, you can create it. Right now I'll create two different levels right there. So I'll click on elevations. I'll click on any of these because I just wanted to go in elevation mode. Right here we can see that we have level 0 and sorry, level 1. I'll create multiple levels. There are two ways of creating the levels. We can copy or we can click on the levels right here. You can see in datum option we have levels and grids. We'll discover both. Right now I'll click on levels and I'll create the level at 4000 height. We can directly create at 4000 from right there as well. Otherwise we can what we can say we can offset after that one. I want the checkbox bubble right here, not right there. Okay. I want to create one more. Uh, suppose right, yeah, right there. So what I'll do, I'll click on the levels again at just random. I'll put right there, and then this should be yeah 1400 means around 4 feet 4 feet yeah 4 feet we can keep it. So that's one level I have created. We can rename it if we want. One more level I want to create right there, and then I'll click on the level. That will be my best level at yeah, 1000. Okay, that's fine. So it will be in minus 1000. Why? Because my reference level is this one, not the reference level. This is my project base point. So that is why it's checking in negative. Uh, so we have created all the levels. I can keep it as I'll rename it. Sorry, as basement BG something like that. Would you like to rename the corresponding view? Yes, but in 99% cases, we'll go with the uh, no. Why I have done these things? Because I want all my views names as per the levels. Okay, level 0 is fine with me, level 1 is fine, but I guess level 3 and 2 has different order. So first of all, I'll change this name like 21, maybe. No, and this will be level 2 again, and enter. It's already okay. The view is already there, so I'll click on this one. 3, not 3, 4, correct. Sh- I need to rename this one because it will not take otherwise. Oh man. Doo-doo-doo. That's the desktop. This should be something I'm writing right there so that I can rename this one. Level 2, I want to make it level 2. Yeah, and then this will be level 3. Okay, yeah, but the level 3 will not be changed right there because We already changed that one, so I'll change it right there. Perfect. This is already in use. Where? Okay. Man, now I'll rename it to level 3. Perfect. Where are we using level 3? We are not using level 3 anywhere. Okay, no worries. I'll delete this one. Yes, perfect. I'll create one more level, and this will be on, yeah, something level 3. Perfect. But level 3, yeah, that's fine. Level 3 should be at 8 meter. Yeah, it should be 8 meters. So we have done all the levels. We can stretch it if we want from right there so that I can stretch. Okay, this is not aligned with this one. It should be aligned. Okay, yeah. Now if I'll click on this one, all the levels, we can stretch it in one go. So we have created the levels. Now we wanted to create the grids as well. So for the grids, we'll go at the floor plan and right there, click on grids, and then we can create the grids. We can offset the grids as well. Like if I'll, first of all, I want the bubble at this end, not at this end. So now I want to array this one. So I'll click on array, otherwise at offset. So yeah, we can go with it. Otherwise, we can copy it. There are multiple options actually. So I'll choose the copy command. I want the grids at 4 meter, again 4 meter, again 4 meter, one more, again 4 meter. Yeah, so we have done 5 grids. Again, I'll create the horizontal grids as well. So one grid is right there. Yeah, so again, same thing I'll do. Copy this one, CS, and from right here, sorry, oh, sorry. Just pressed CS. Should be CO from right there. 4 meter, till right there, I want so 4 meter, 4 meter again, one more time. Yeah, that's fine. So we have created the levels, the grids. I don't want to see these elevations options. So what I'll do, I'll go in visibility graphics by pressing VV, and then I'll click on annotations. Then I'll go for elevations, and elevations right there. I'll uncheck this one, click on OK. That's fine. So we have done with levels and grids. Now, what we will start from the basic things from walls. So I'll click on walls. Now I'll click on the rectangular. First of all, there are multiple options of the walls. So I'll prefer this one from right there to right there. Mm, right there, we'll create one more grid so that it'll look like this is the bigger one. So I'll create one more grid right there. Not right there. And this H maybe in the center of this one. Yeah. Okay, that's done. Skip it. And okay. Yeah, so we already created the walls right there. After that, first of all, we'll select all the walls so that we can give the limit that from where it should go and from where till where it should end. So right here we can see best constraint is level 0, but top constraint is unconnected. It means it will go unlimited. Okay, so we should pose it to level 2. Why level 2? Because if you'll see in section, our level 2 is right there. Why I have ended right there? I'll I'll let you know, and we'll see in upcoming scenes that why we have stopped right there. Okay, so that's we have done. Now, if I'll come for the first of all, we'll cover the floor and the roof as well and the ceiling as well. Okay, so first of all, I'll go with the floor. So I'll click on the floor, architecture floor. I'll give the boundary and I'll select the boundary of this one. Okay, that's fine. You can lock it if you want, but for this one, I'm not locking it. Okay, click on OK. Then we have done with the floor. If you want to see in 3D, right there, we have done with this floor. Okay, now if I'll come on at the level again, right now, I will. Are we recording? I guess. Yeah, sorry, I was just cross-checking that I was recording or not. So it's recording. Okay, so now we have done with the walls, we have done with the floor. Now we'll go with the ceiling first of all. So for the ceiling, I'll go the ceiling option. There are two options, sketch ceiling or automatic ceiling. I'll put automatic, but first of all, before giving the ceiling, I just wanted to give the rooms, different rooms. On that basis, we'll decide where we want to give the ceiling and where we do not want to give the ceiling. Okay. So firstly, we'll create some more walls right here. So uh, first of all, I'm not considering any dimensions. If you want to go with the dimensions, you can go with it. But right now, my aim to show you what different features of Revit are. So we are not considering any of the walls. First of all, before creating the walls, I'll already constrained it at the level, not at this moment level 2, because my aim was to constrain all those four boundary only till level 2. Now we are going with level 1 for all the walls. Now I'll randomly create some of the things right there. I'll mm, okay, not right there at the grids. So why grids? It will be, you'll see why we are picking the grids. So till right here, I'll click one boundary right here and one boundary right there. Okay, perfect. We have done this one. Now this portion I'm picking as corridor. Yeah, and that is, I guess, yeah, that's fine. And that's fine. Oh, but I was thinking that if we can stretch it right there so that we can make it in symmetry if you want, but that is not the aim of this video. Yeah, so that's this look like symmetry. Okay, but if you want the exact measurement, then you can go with it. Now I want these two to be stretched a little bit right there, not right there. That's fine. Mhm. Okay, so that's done now. We can stretch it a little bit right there. Mhm. It looks fine. Now, we have created the walls, the rooms we can provide. Now, if we wanted to provide the rooms, you can see there are three options. We'll discover each one by one. First of all, if you want to give the rooms, you just directly click on the rooms. There are different options. Place automatically, highlight boundary, something like that. So I'll click on place automatically. Fire rooms automatically placed. You can see, sorry, this is one space and this is one, something like that. If you want to rename it, yes, definitely you can rename it. Like first one is this one, so if you want to rename it, you can type bedroom. Bedroom is this one. This we can consider, okay, bedroom one you can mention, so that we can add different kind of things. I'm mentioning kitchen. Do not go with the dimension because kitchen will be smaller, but right there I just mentioned for showing all those kind of things. If suppose this is proper the open area with the gallery, but the room is single one, right? As per the Revit. But you want to show this is as the gallery and this is as hall kind of thing. How you can mention this thing? For this one, we can use room separator. So till right here, I want to show as gallery and this portion will be room. So sorry, this portion will be what it is. I missed hall. Yeah. So I'll keep it as hall and this will be gallery, right? So I'll create a room tag again. Okay, and then this will be gallery. Okay, and now this will be room 01. I'm not giving proper names now because you got the point, right? How we can figure it out. And this will be room 02. Okay, yeah, we have done. We can also change the numbers if you want. Same thing, but I'm not changing as of now. Now, the third thing that we were discussing about is the ceiling. So we'll provide the ceiling, architects, ceiling. Now, I just selected automatic ceiling, so I'll just click right there. Do not go with the warning. We'll see why this is highlighting, and that's also now why it is highlighting. Check with the visitor graphics. Ceiling is turned on, and let's see why it is highlighting. Ceiling is placed, as you can see, at 2600 mm height. You can change the height as well, but I'm not changing as of now. So ceiling is not visible. Why it's not visible? First of all, we change the side type of the ceiling so that it will be grid type of ceiling so that we can see the differences. Select all instance and entire project, and then compose ceiling will be grid 600 by 600 mm. Grid ceiling. Now, if I'll see, it's not visible as of now. I'll go right here, range base level in underlay option. Okay. So it will be my level in which I'm working right now. Sorry, in which I'm working right now. The top level will be the just above the level 1. And now if we'll see, okay, look up because I am at level 0. So I wanted to see up. Now you can see this is our ceiling. Grid ceiling is right there. Rooms are right there. We already mentioned. If I'll go in 3D, we can see this one as well. Now we have completed the boundary with the floor, with the ceiling, with the rooms. Now what's pending? I'll go with columns. Okay. So for the columns, I'll go with the columns, structural columns, and I wanted to place at the intersections of the grids. They are different. I can manually put as well if I wanted to put like this. Why it's not visible, that will be a different concern, but like that I can put it. First of all, why it's not taking it, as you can see, this is going to below ground, but I wanted to go at the above level. Okay, top constraint is invalid for this level. Why? I'm working at level 0. The top constraint should be level 1 now. Yeah, it's picking now. Oh, sorry, I was earlier at the depth, depth, I guess. So that was why it was not picking. But right now, I'll not go like this one. That will be very hectic for us. So what I'll do, I want to put all these at the intersections of the grids. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go right here, the column directly, and I'll click on add grids. So I just click on OK and then finish. Do you want to exit this command? No column were added at the document during this option. Do you want to exit the command? Yes. Why the columns did not placed? This add column At grids, fine. Oh, I did not select the grids. My apologies. I selected the grids and now I'll click on finish. Now, if you'll see at each of the intersection, we can see the columns. Okay. I'm just showing you as per the design perspective. That is why if you are selecting that option, make sure that your each grid should be at each point of that intersection. Okay, so that your column will place at that moment. Otherwise, you can move it from right now. I don't want to show all these columns. I just wanted to show you how you can give. Okay, so I'm just deleting these columns, like in the middle columns. I'm just deleting structure columns only. Okay, and delete those one. Now, right here again in the place at the bottom. So I'll delete these one. If anything is in the middle of this row. Now, I guess fine. Different, but yes, we can go with that one. Like if you want, then we can change. Otherwise, we can go with it. If I'll do it wireframe, you can see these columns are right there. Okay. Um, there are a lot of, I know, but uh, I'm just telling you how you can proceed. Now, uh, columns we placed. The second thing, the roof, the very important thing. So I'll go on the roof. Click on footprint, whatever you want. I'll click on the boundary, and then simply I'll click on this one. That's coming in the slope. So please make sure if you want to um, go with the slope or not. I don't want to go with the slope, so I'll uncheck. I'll go with the zero slope, and I'll click on OK. So it's not properly enclosed region. It is, I guess. It is just showing the warning. It does not. Let me cross check. Oh, apologies. I just placed that one at the bottom, I guess. Yeah, the bottom, but it should not be at the bottom. It should be at level 1. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Now I guess you got it that why we were at the level 2 of these outside boundary, because we want the boundary at the roof. If you have seen uh, that we normally raise the wall uh, for some kind of boundary at this level. So if we are right here, we cannot jump outside of that one building. So that is why these walls are pretty good. Now, second thing is the stairs. How we can go right there? Okay, at the r- at the roof of our building. So stairs comes first in our mind. So I'll go in the level 0 and I'll create stairs from right there. Okay, because I can see this the empty space. So I'll click on the stairs. Okay, yeah, first of all, I just want to tell you, if you'll click on the stairs, desired number of risers means the steps. Okay, 24 is required, and the actual right now I did not place any, so it's considering 1. The riser height of the single steps riser height is 166.7, and actual tread depth is 250, and those kind of things are already right there. If you want to edit them, then you can edit. Okay, so right now we need to create 24 steps in that one. So I'll start from right there, and then you can see I should come right there. Yeah, first of all, yeah, I just missed to tell you there are different options of the risers. So I'll select this one so that I can take a band from right there as well. Okay. Now I'll place this one because it will cover 24 as per our design. You can see the actual number of risers are right there, 24. But now I want to do first of all click on OK, then we can edit that one. noxious. So we place this one, but now it is not in the actual direction. So what I'll do, I'll move it from right there. This is a railing, so I'll move it from right there to right here. Element will be deleted. Which element will be deleted, man? Nobody will be deleted. Okay, and then okay, I'll move it a little bit right there. Perfect. Let's move it. No, railing should be outside of the wall. You can align as well if you want. Then I'll just align this one with this one. Perfect. It's already aligned, I guess. So no worries about that one. But the direction seems that it's going upward in this direction, but no, I want like this. Now it's already done. If we'll see, so a railing comes right there. You can see the 24 options. Okay, we'll give the cutout so that you can see because we cannot pass through the solid surface if a human is coming that way. So we need a cutout from right there to right there. Okay. So first of all, we'll cut the roof, then we'll go with the ceiling. So for cutting the roof, I need to come at the level 1. I'll double click on the roof. Right, showing that one. I want to just cut the roof. Yeah. So I'll cut the roof from right there till right there. Perfect. I'll click on OK. That is fine with me. In a loop of fuller sketchman. No. Okay, yeah, sorry. The slope was right there. So, but I do not want the slope. So I'll wait. Wait. Why the slope is showing right there? Is there any setting that I picked? Cancel it. Yeah. Okay. Now, if I'll double click on this one, perfect. Okay. If I'll select the boundary, level 0 is right there. Perfect. Mhm. Then why it is asking about the slope, man? Yeah. So, yeah, showing the slope. Okay. Let's see. Showing the slope. Nothing is right there. Nothing is also right there. Okay. Okay. Where is showing the slope? Would be okay. And let me cross check. Oh man, it should not be sloped 0. Okay. Now how come it is? Already mentioned that it should not be in the slope. Defines. Okay. Yeah, that's fine now. I'll click on OK. Perfect. That's done now. So we have given the cutout to it. If you want to see, then we can see. Okay. Now we can see that we have at the actual height of this one. But if you think, because we have taken a very thick slab, so that is why you can see it's 220 plus 20 insulation. It means around and plus 225, something like that. It's very thick actually. So how we can figure it out that it should be properly matching with the, you can see it's high jump right now after the ceiling. It's matching with our level, but The slab thicknesses, if you'll consider it, yeah, you can see 515 approx. Okay, so it's very thick. So that is why we cannot pick. So if in this kind of situation happens, just click on the stairs. Oh, sorry, it's not selecting, man. Footer, staircase, yeah, that's stairs. Okay, now just pick on the stairs, and right there you can see the desired things were 24. If you'll reduce it, it'll create the better slope of your stairs. It'll be like angle will be increased in that case. Yeah, you can see now, but we want some more slopes, so you can go with this. Otherwise, you can um, raise the number of your ceilings. Sorry, not the ceilings, the stairs. It is feasible, but I want to go a little bit more in the slope. So now we have picked the design number 21, and now that seems perfect. Now it looks perfect that a main can come from right there. But one more thing is coming in between for us, that is the ceiling. Okay. If you do not want the railing of this side, you can delete. If I'll delete, that's fine. This side you can keep it. And if you want, then you can keep it. I'm just mentioning that you can edit those one as well. Okay. Right now, we need to penetrate the ceiling as well. So for that one, I'll come at the level 0 again, and I'll click on the ceiling. But right now I cannot. Okay. So we should go in the ceiling plan then of level 0, and then I'll pick the ceiling from right there. I guess tab. Yeah, it's right there. So I'll double click on that one. Now I wanted to penetrate the ceiling throughout this portion. Okay, so I'll create a rectangular box from right there to right there and right there to right there, maybe like that. But that this wall is coming in between, and I'll trim this one so that we cannot see any of the things. And the railing is, and this one, so railing should be right there. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now if I'll show you in 3D, it's perfect for us. And then throughout the thing is covered. Now if I'll hide the roof so that you can see full picture how the things are going on. Correct. So you can come. We can cover this one if we want, and I guess we should cover this one. So I'll double click on this one. It's very simple, and we should go a better right here. Maybe let's see how it goes. Perfect. I can see that's fine. The stay is covered. Now you can go like that. Okay, so now you have come at the roof. Now the stairs portion has been completed. Okay, if you wanted to create something right there, you can create it. That we'll discuss later. But first of all, the important thing of the building is the component now. So how we can place the bed, the furniture, and different kind of things. Okay. So if I click on architectural tab, we go. Oh yeah. So we did not place doors. So if I click on doors, simply the double door is obviously for main gate. So I'll place the double door right there. Opens outside. If you want to open it inside, it depends on your requirement. Now I want the single doors for each of the rooms. I'll click on single door. That should open inside. So I'll click on right there. I'm placing randomly. If you want, then you can change it. Okay, so after placing, you also can change the direction. Like I want this door to be this side to be open, outside or inside. It depends on our requirement. Okay, so we can change it. Now I'll again place the same one. So I'll click on this one, CS command for create similar, and then I'll place right there this one again, this one, and I'll this one. Press CS again. Anywhere we forget to place the door, I guess we completed. Yeah, escape it. Now the windows. I'll click on the windows where I want the window right there. Perfect. And one more at this direction. There are different kind of windows if you want. Sizes are different. Let's go with this. How much big it is? Yeah, that's very big. So this will be right there, and this will be right there. Perfect. And then one window will be right there. Oh, not at the column. It should be outside of the column. Please make sure it should not clash. Okay. One window should be right there. One right there, right there. Yeah, that's fine. That's enough windows we have placed. We'll go in 3D. Yeah, you can see from outer periphery of this building. That's very big window, correct? I think it will look old a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, so we placed a couple of windows, that's fine. Now, I'll go into level 0 again, so place door, windows, component. Yeah, so place a component now. Furniture desk, that's very unique thing. So I'll place a furniture desk right here so that a guy who is working, he can work. So I placed a furniture desk right here. With the furniture, we need a kind of chair, right? But we do not have chair right there. Okay, no issues. We have some kind of plants, I guess. Yeah, so I'll place some plants outside of the building. Two plants this way, two plants this way. Not more than that. You should know that how it will work. So you can see the families, but if we'll go in a realistic thing, you can see the real tree kind of shape of these trees. So it'll take a little bit time. We should wait, and then we'll see the actual trees. So it depends. The families are default right now. You can see this is for the roots of the building, so that other services will not clash with that one, and that is the periphery for the same clash kind of things. So these are trees, but right now we are not focusing on trees. Our main focus should be what? Yeah, component. Correct. We want bad, but bad is not right there. So there are two options. First of all, you can load a family if you have, but in Revit 2020, we have one more option that is called load Autodesk family. So I'll click on that one. It'll take me at the Autodesk family server. And from right there, I can search for if you are an ITURE furniture. Oh, it's not searching. Okay, but I don't think so. Just I can now click right there, furniture. Yeah, it's bed. So I want single bed, double bed, something like that. Different. But I'll click on one bed, and you can pick if you want any of them. So right now I just picked one of them, and it's already right there. But I just need to, I guess I just load that thing, correct? So I'll click on architecture again. I'll click on component. Yeah, it's right there. I can resize the beds. There are different kind of bed, double bed, queen bed, and something like that. but I'll click on this one. I'll place right there or right there. It depends on your requirements. That's very big room, so that is why you can see that smaller one, but you can pick accordingly like that. We can pick the bed as well. Now, the table we already put, but the chair that we need. So again, I'll go with the insert, load family. I'm just telling you how you can put seating thing, right? So for the sitting, which chair you want to choose, I'll pick which chair. This one. This one looks good. Click on load and yeah, it's inserted now. So that's how you can pick the component because it's taking a lot of time right there. If you want to rotate after placing, so you can just simply click and then 90-degree maybe you can rotate. Oh, that's different direction. Okay, no issues. We can switch it. Yeah, that's fine now. I guess I need to connect with charger. Just 1 minute. Okay, it's connected. Okay, perfect. So we have done with the component, all those kind of things. And I guess we have covered the measure thing. Yeah, I'll create one dome right there. So I'll go at level 1, not at level 1, I guess, level 2. Let me cross check which level I want to jump. That is our level 2. Yeah, correct. So I need to go at level 2. Right here, I wanted to create something so that um, you can see dome kind of thing if you want to create. So suppose from right there till right there. Perfect. Till right here, I have created something and then if I'll go, okay, looks fine. Okay. But as you can see, it did not place. Okay. Oh, I see. It's from level 1. Yeah, sorry. So best constraint will be level 1 and top constraint will be yeah, level 3. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, that's released now. Oh, sorry. Now, if I'll move it a little bit, it's not moving, man. Yeah. Right now, we need a door, correct? So that it will be kind of as opening. You can cut it down if you want. And first of all, this very thick wall, man. I'll go with this one. Yeah, that looks fine. And the design is also good. And I want to switch it a little bit further so that it will cover this portion as well. Perfect. Now I wanted to put right there one gate first of all. So I'll put one gate right there. It will be like, yeah, it should, the door should come outside of this one. So it will be like not at level 1. That's level 1, but 200. Let me cross check what the height it needs. Okay, perfect. Not that much. That's fine. Yeah. So we have placed a door, but we want a dome surface right there. So how I can place a dome surface? Firstly, I'll go at the level 3. It should be at level 3, correct? Okay, no worries. And right there, I'll create a roof and the rectangular surface and they're picked, but it should be define the slope Okay, and the slope should be, we'll see how it will work. I do not think so that it placed at actual location where it has placed this one. Let me cross check. Hmm. Not at level 0. It's not at level 0. Okay, at level 1. I guess it has placed at level 1. Let me check filter. Yeah, correct. It has placed at this one. Okay, so we can also place this one right there. But I just wanted to show you the dome surface. So I guess first of all we'll pick the particular surface, and then it should be at level 3. It has come. Now if you'll select this one as, oh, not this one, and modify it, edit footprint, no, 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 modify footprint. Yeah, that's fine, and skip it. I've given bigger slope, but you can choose it accordingly. You got the point, right? You click on this one, right there, right click. Sometimes it's like the hell, man. Okay, but you got the point how you can it, how you can edit the slope kind of thing. And if you don't like this one, you can click on reset shape and you can delete this one. I'll recreate the roof in the better way so that you will not need to worry about. Okay, I'll, it should be level 3, man. Why level 3 walls are not visible? No worries, we'll pick that thing in level 3. So I'll click on this one, footprint, define slope, what slope we want. Slope, we are not mentioning anything. Okay, let's see how it goes. So I just selected. Now escape, and I'll select all these. 30% slope we already highlighted. Now I'll click on OK. It's already in sloped, but it should be at level 3. Click on level 3. And now that's perfect. We do not need to do anything. But if I want to change, because that's very thick, it looks fine. You can see. So we have covered all those kind of things. Oh, oh, sorry, we have hidden the roof, I guess. Yeah, it's fine now. That's why I was thinking why it's looking odd. Yeah, so that's fine now. That's our house. Those kind of things we have done. All those kind of things. We have created a whole building. We have created room and railing text. If you want the text, I can type right here. Bim Guru. Suppose like that, and you can add that one somewhere. Like if you can put set a reference plane, pick a plane. Okay, okay, and right there I want to put that one. And now I'll create a text, BIM Guru, and OK, and I'll place right there. Perfect. So you can see this is our building with BIM Guru name. We have covered all the points. If anybody has any doubt, they can comment on this video. Let's meet in my next video. Thanks for guys for watching this video.